Moher Island. The cliffs of Moher are one of Ireland's most iconic natural landmarks. They are located on the western coast of Ireland, in County Clare, near the village of Lisana. These cliffs stretch for approximately 14 kilometers, about 9 miles, along the Atlantic Ocean and rise to heights of up to 214 meters, 702 feet, above sea level at their highest point. The cliffs of Moher are renowned for their stunning beauty and dramatic views of the ocean. They offer visitors a breathtaking vista of the rugged Irish coastline, with waves crashing against the base of the cliffs and seabirds soaring overhead. On a clear day, you can even see the Aran Islands and the mountains of Camara in the distance. The visitor center at the cliffs of Moher provides information about the geology, history, and wildlife of the area. There are also walking trails and viewing platforms, allowing visitors to explore and take in the remarkable scenery safely. The cliffs are a popular tourist attraction and have featured in numerous films and TV shows, making them one of Ireland's most recognized natural wonders. If you plan to visit the cliffs of Moher, I recommend checking with local authorities or the official website for the latest information on access, visitor facilities, and any safety guidelines. The cliffs of Moher in Ireland are a famous destination for several reasons. Number 1. Natural beauty. The cliffs are a stunning natural wonder with breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean, dramatic cliffs rising to impressive heights, and the rugged Irish coastline. Their beauty and dramatic scenery make them a must-visit location for nature enthusiasts, photographers, and tourists. Number 2. Iconic landmark. The cliffs of Moher have become an iconic symbol of Ireland, representing the country's rugged and picturesque landscapes. They have featured in numerous films, TV shows, and promotional materials, further boosting their fame. Number 3. Geological significance. Geologically, these cliffs are significant as they are made up of layers of shale and sandstone formed over 300 million years ago. They offer insight into Ireland's geological history and the forces that shaped its landscape. Number 4. Wildlife. The cliffs are home to a variety of seabirds, including puffins, razorbills, and guillemots, making them a popular spot for birdwatching. The cliff's unique ecosystem and biodiversity add to their appeal. Number 5. Cultural and historical importance. The cliffs of Moher are located in County Clare, an area rich in Irish culture and history. Visitors can learn about the region's heritage at nearby attractions and cultural sites. Number 6. Visitor facilities. The Cliffs of Moher Visitor Experience Center provides informative exhibits, educational materials, and amenities for visitors, enhancing the overall experience. There are also walking trails, viewing platforms, and guided tours available. Number 7. Accessibility. The cliffs are easily accessible by road, making them a popular day trip or stop for travelers exploring the west coast of Ireland. They are conveniently located near the popular tourist town of Doolin. Number 8. Prominent location. The cliffs are situated along the Wild Atlantic Way, a scenic coastal route that spans the entire western coast of Ireland, making them a prominent stop along this popular tourist route. Number 9. Adventure and recreation. Beyond admiring the views, visitors can engage in activities like hiking, cycling, and even surfing in the surrounding areas, providing a range of recreational opportunities. Number 10. Natural wonders nearby. The Burren, a unique karst landscape known for its unusual rock formations and diverse plant life, is located nearby, making the cliffs of Moher part of a broader natural wonderland to explore. All these factors contribute to the cliffs of Moher's fame and make them a must-visit destination for travelers exploring the beauty and culture of Ireland.